Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an image zoom function in Squarespace. This feature allows visitors to hover over images on your site and see them magnified, which is particularly useful for product galleries, portfolios, or any visual content where details matter. Let's start by navigating to squarespace.com and logging into your account. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your websites are displayed. From the dashboard, click on the specific website where you want to add the image zoom functionality. This will open up the site editor for that particular project. Now on the left side menu, locate and click on website. Under this section, you'll see several options and you need to click on pages. This is where you can view and manage all the different pages that make up your website structure. Before we proceed further, I have the code we'll be using for this tutorial already prepared. Take a moment to pause the video if you need to copy this code. Having it ready will make the next steps much smoother. With the code copied, return to the left side menu and click on Custom Code. Under this option, you'll find Custom CSS. Click on it to open the CSS editor. This is where we'll paste our custom code that enables the zoom effect on your images. Now, simply paste the code you copied earlier into the custom CSS field. This code contains the styling and functionality that makes the hover zoom work seamlessly on your site. Here's an important customization tip. You can adjust the ID in the code if you want the zoom effect to apply only to a specific image block rather than all images on your site. Additionally, feel free to modify any of the CSS properties to better match your website's design and aesthetic. This flexibility allows you to control exactly how the zoom behaves and which images it affects. Once you've made any necessary adjustments and you're satisfied with how the code looks, click Save. Give Squarespace a moment to process and apply these changes across your site. And there you have it, you've successfully added a professional image zoom function to your Squarespace website. This interactive element will enhance user experience and make your visual content more engaging. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.